Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change language setting in Data Wing game. First of all, launch open the Data Wing game on your device, and once you are inside this main home screen, go ahead and tap on the gear button at the bottom of the screen. After you open up the settings menu, go to the English button or the language option at the top right over here. Whichever language you've selected will be displayed over here on this page. Now on the next page, select a different language option you want to change to, and right after making a selection, tap on the arrow at the top left, and you have now successfully changed your language setting in Data Wing game using your Android device. The game will automatically apply the change. Now you can come back to this same settings menu and look for the language option at the top, and always change back to any language of your preference. So that is how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.